Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Adidas Originals EQT Support RT shoes, RF shoes, whatever the hell they're called. It's quite a mouthful, but yeah. Alright guys, so the box is the original blue box that you get, which is a bit of a shame because it's a different type of shoe, so they should have done something different. Like for the NMDs, they do black shoe box, whatever you want to call it. So not all of them, but most of the NMDs come in a black shoebox with black stripes as well, which is pretty cool. But this is just the plain original boxing. I guess it saves them money, but yeah. So you got the Adidas Originals, 3 stripes there. The brand with 3 stripes. Okay. And yeah, let's look at this side now. There you go, EQT Support RF. This is the grey one, by the way. Size 8 UK, and this is about 45 quid at the moment. When it first came out it was about 70, just a bit more than 70. Okay, so inside you get this board thing. So these are the nice EQT supports. I like these ones. Can you see the difference? Actually, you've not even seen the shoes yet, so you can't see the difference, but yeah, I'll show you. Adidas Collect. Even though I don't know, you can collect it from certain places, but I'd rather not collect it. It's better having delivery. Okay, so these are the shoes itself, as you can see. Wow, they're quite nice. They're not that good, but they're nice. Okay, so we've got the 2 pairs here. 2 pairs of shoes there, yeah. Okay, so we've got the Adidas Performance Insoles OrthoLite. This is in all of their shoes, by the way. It's quite nice, it's quite soft as well. It keeps your sweat out and stuff, so it doesn't smell that bad. So it's pretty cool. And then you got the Adidas Support RF thing there, just the barcode and stuff, and the sizes, and it tells you how to clean it and stuff, and the sizes again there. Okay, so let's have a look at the shoes. So it's a grey, by the way, and there's different tones of grey. We've got a matte grey here, sort of a metallic grey there, and then you got this suede type of grey, which is pretty cool. And then you got this like whitish grey. A lot of colors going on here, tones and stuff. Sorry about my voice, by the way, guys. I'm quite ill. As you can tell, fuck my life. All right, and then we've got this nice bit here, which is pretty cool. All right, let's go. We'll look at the shoe from the front. Okay, so we've got Adidas ADV 9117. Very nice. Whoa, I didn't notice the inside. That's even nicer, guys. I don't know if they've given 2 soles. Oh shit, no, they haven't. I thought they might have, but yeah. These are size 8, so these won't fit me. I bought them for someone else, so yeah, I'm just doing unboxing of it. So it's a green Adidas foot sole thing. Very nice. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. It really goes with that grey color as well, even though nobody's going to be seeing that because your fit's on it. But yeah, look at the sole on that, guys. I mean the bottom of it. Fucking hell, look at the grip, guys. I've not seen any Adidas shoe that has this kind of grip. Look at the grip on that. So this is going to be quite a torsion. Look at that. Usually the ones that have torsion are really good grip, like NMDs have torsion. But yeah, these have really good grip by the looks of it. And I like this curve here. You got this curve here and then the 3 stripes, which is pretty nice. Again, sorry for my voice. And you got suede there. That'll get ruined in the rain, I reckon. EQT support, says it there. That's pretty cool. And same on this side. It's not reflective at all, which is a bit of a shame, because Adidas good with reflective. Oh, I really like that. It's white there. Turn it around, bam. 3 black. That's pretty cool, that. And this would have been nicer. It's nice, but it would have been nicer if it was covered over with plastic or something, like Nike shoes have, where they have the covering over that. And yeah, let's have a look. Let me have a feel of it. It feels quite soft and cushioned. Look at that. Very soft, actually. Yeah, very soft. This will definitely be very soft. I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one. Get the other one out. So it's the exact same as the other one. Got the 3 stripes. Bit of dirt there. Same here. And yeah, there's not much else to say, to be honest. Well, I would have showed you what it looks like on my foot, but I can't, so I'll put it next to my foot and show you. I'm not going to try to stress it into my foot or anything because it'll break and it's not for me. I bought it for someone else, so yeah. So look at my massive feet. I've just come from work, by the way, so yeah. Actually, they do look like they'll fit me. I'm a size 10, but these are size 8s. Who knows? They do look quite... I have no idea. But the inside is usually smaller, as you can see. Because it's quite cushioned, so yeah. But yeah, I'll show you on foot review, guys. Look at that. Wow. Just imagine my leg is inside of it somehow. There you go. That looks original. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please check out my other shoe unboxings if you haven't already. I'm going to do a lot more shoe unboxings. I've got about 8 shoes to go through. Because Adidas winter sale was on. And they've also given me a personalized discount for myself. I might have a code I can give out. I don't know. I'll have to ask them. I might have a code I can give out, which will give about 30% off anyway. Which is better than the student discount. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time.